Hello everyone, I hope you all are having a fantastic day or evening whenever y'all watch this. As you can see, this just came in. We got the brand new Trix / Marklin TGV EuroDuplex, and I'm excited to open this up, so let's get to it. So when you first open up the box, you got this nice foam cover piece. Put that over there. And then we have this beauty. It's nicely packaged, as you can see. That's just the plastic. There's no blemishes on the paint. And now the locomotive and the end passenger car is connected, so I will have to cut the video so I can get these on the track and get a better look at it. Okay, we now have it on the track in this wonderful, beautiful glory. It was surprisingly very easy to couple this up. Don't get discouraged if you're new to high-speed trains and you're worried about the wires and filling with those. If you do with steam trains, this should be easy mode for you. It was real easy to couple this up, and as you can see, the detail on this is phenomenal. Sorry for the shaky camera work. I'm using my phone. For a high-speed train, this is nicely detailed. Even the trucks are very nice. If my camera will focus. Here's the connecting truck. If my camera will focus. There we go. Got the interior. Even without lighting, you can still see pretty nicely in there. What I like about it is there's different colors. The bottom is red and the top is blue. That's a very nice detail. That's very, very nice. And again, my camera will not focus. But the writing is legible with a magnifying glass. Very, very nice. The cool feature about this train is, of course, the pantographs. See if I can get them up. This is a very interesting setup. The back pantographs for the high speed. And here is the front one for lower speeds. Both of them are very functional, and I'm pretty sure you can convert power to the track or the pantographs. Same with the back here. All right, there we go. I got them up. Now, another cool thing about this engine is that, I don't think I said this, but this entire frame is all die cast, so it got some really good weight to it. At least I know the head ends are. Not too sure about the passenger cars, but the head ends I know is all die cast. So it got some really good weight, and it can easily pull its 8-car consist with no problem. So yeah. F3 is the horn. Very nice horn indeed. Then F4 is ABV off. I have no idea what that is. Okay. Nothing there. And 5 is the squealing brakes off. This is just basically turning on or off the sound effects you want. And F6 is headlight off. The top headlight will turn on and off. F7 is the whistle. And F8 is the departure whistle. F9 is door closing. Alright, now we're going to do station announcement number 1.
Bitte einsteigen. Türen schließen selbstständig. Vorsicht bei der Abfahrt.
And now we're going to do station announcement number 2.
Veuillez monter dans le train. Prenez garde à la fermeture automatique des portes. Attention au départ.
And now I'm gonna do multi-stop announcement, which is F18.
Prochain arrêt, Champagne-Ardenne.
Okay. And I'm gonna do greeting announcement.
Meine Damen und Herren, herzlich willkommen im TGV nach München Hauptbahnhof. Wir wünschen Ihnen eine angenehme Reise.
Alright, time to start her up. See if she moves. There's one speed step. I've not cleaned this track in forever, so pretty good for one speed step. And again, I have not cleaned this track in ages. And we are now on speed step 10. Wonderful. Absolutely just wonderful. That's a high-speed train, so let's see how fast it can go. Alright, now I'm gonna go max at 28. Not crazy fast, but respectable. Overall, I love this model already, and I just got it. I had a feeling it was going to be like my top, definitely like in the top 5 of my high-speed trains that I will love. But at this point, it may be my number 1 for right now. Just everything about this is just amazing. I love it. And yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And if anything on this table that you want to see in action, let me know in the comments below.